Subscribe now and let the adventures begin. Welcome to Eco-Family Adventures. Today we'll guide you on how to travel green with kids while ensuring safety and discovering amazing destinations. We'll also highlight some eco-friendly spots you won't want to miss. First, let's start with packing. Always opt for reusable and eco-friendly items. Amazon offers a wide range of sustainable products like bamboo toothbrushes, reusable water bottles, and eco-friendly suitcases. Check out our affiliate links in the description to get yours today. While planning your trip, it's crucial to avoid unsafe areas. Research destinations thoroughly and stay updated on travel advisories. Websites like Expedia and Viator provide detailed information on safe travel spots and activities. Use our affiliate links to book secure and eco-friendly accommodations and tours. Choosing eco-friendly accommodations is key to traveling green. Look for hotels with sustainability certifications and green practices. Expedia has a great selection of green hotels. Use our affiliate link to find the perfect stay for your family. Next, let's talk about eco-friendly activities. Engage in outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, and visiting nature reserves. Viator offers a variety of eco-friendly tours and activities that are both fun and educational for kids. Check out our affiliate link for exciting green experiences. Some great eco-friendly destinations include national parks, sustainable resorts, and green cities. These places not only offer beautiful sceneries, but also prioritize environmental conservation. Make sure to add these to your travel list. Thanks for joining us on this eco-family adventure. Remember, the world is your playground. Explore it, cherish it, and leave it better than you found it. See you on our next journey. Don't forget to check out our affiliate links from Amazon, Expedia, and Viator for the best travel gear and tour bookings. Happy travels! Thanks for joining us on this eco-family adventure. Remember, the world is your playground. Explore it, cherish it, and leave it better than you found it. See you on our next journey.